Hi friend, now we talk about the short tail keywords. A one word or combination of two words, sometime combination of three words can be called short tail keywords. Yes, you can see I have given examples: simple books, library books, or cheap books, free books. We can put in Google, and global warming is also, you can see, short tail keyword. Cricket news is also short tail keyword. Only Islamabad weather or California weather simple is short tail keyword. And this one is blue keywords. I colored book of stories is also short tail keyword, but you can see three word. But off, I have already told you, this kind of computer ignores such word like off, and that's why computer means search engine. Search engine ignores such kind of words. So that's why above blue color keyword is short tail keyword. These are the short tail keywords what I have told. I hope you have understood well about the difference between short tail keyword and long tail keyword. Now I am just going to give you a practical example, just like I have put here types of computer input devices to search, and you can see here Google results. Yeah, 10 results per page Google shows us. You can see here you can see computer tutorial points, a very big website, and this is the my website, companopedia.com, and well ranked. So this is why it is ranked, because I research well to know about the keywords. Here is the list of more keywords search related to types of computer input devices. You can see list of input devices of computer. These are many keywords we can target. These are the long tail keywords mostly, you can see. And in next video we will talk about keyword research. I'm just going to put here a simple keyword like cheap books, cheapest computer, just like cheapest computer. So this is the short tail keyword, and you can see here is short tail keywords, and you can see very big websites and most famous websites, just like Quora.com, are ranked Reddit, well, against these keyword. And computer, this search engine Google is also suggesting us like these keyword to try to the most appropriate thing for us. So thanks for watching.